Hey, I'm Caleb Elku, and in this video, I want to talk about Connects on Upwork. Now, I'm going to tell you a really easy way that you can use where you'll never need to bid extra Connects again and still land big clients on Upwork. So I built a 7-figure agency on Upwork, and I've helped hundreds of others build 5, 6, and 7-figure agencies of their own. Upwork protects its clients. It's important to keep that in mind. Upwork's clients pay the bills, not its freelancers. So Connects were introduced to combat spam on the platform. A client would post a job, and they'd receive 100 garbage spammy proposals. Freelancers were sending proposals to every single job that was posted. I mean, why not? Someone might bite. But this meant clients couldn't find what they wanted. They didn't have the time to sort through the garbage for the couple good freelancers who could actually do the work and solve their problem. Hence, Connects. So Connect will cost you 15 cents, and sending a proposal costs between 2 and 16 Connects. Okay, so that's a range of 30 cents to $2.40. to send a proposal. The difference is based on the scope of work and duration. When a client closes a job without hiring anyone, the Connects are refunded to you. Now, Connects are a good thing for you. They greatly improve client experience on the platform, they reduce the overall number of proposals, and they make it much more likely that the client will actually view your proposal. So combined with the rollout of Connects and recently increasing the number of Connects necessary to apply to jobs, Upwork has also changed the system on the client side. So historically, as a client on Upwork, you could post a job and invite as many freelancers as you wanted. Okay, but now you can only invite 4 or 5 freelancers unless you pay an additional $30 one-time fee to invite more. Now, of course, not very many clients are going to pay that additional fee, meaning the number of invites is way down on the platform. Personally, I used to receive 3 or 4 invitations per day. Now it's more like a couple per week. Now this is also very good news for you. Fewer invitations means a great reliance on proposals. Okay, and if you're sending proposals every single day, which I'm sure you're doing to build your business, to build your agency on Upwork, the client is less likely to hire someone from an invite, meaning your ability to land them as your new client goes up. So the last part of Connects that I want to touch on is the bid system that Upwork implemented. Essentially, this allows you to send a proposal and then bid extra Connects to have your proposal at the top of the list. If the client doesn't click on your proposal, the entire extra amount you bid is refunded to you. In this way, it basically guarantees the client will at least see your proposal, which sounds like a great idea. The challenge, only the top bids are going to be featured. And a lot of jobs have top bids of over 100 Connects. That 15 cents per Connect seems cheap until you're regularly spending hundreds of them to apply to jobs. So as a rule of thumb, to be successful on Upwork in 90 days, I advise my coaching group to send at least 5 proposals every day. If you were bidding 100 Connects for each, that's over $2,000 a month in just Connects. Clearly that's ridiculous. But the great news is you really don't need to spend anything extra for those bids. First, spend your time focusing on the 3 things that will actually get clients to click on your proposal: your photo, your profile title, and the few hundred or so characters of your cover letter. I've linked to a video that will cover that in more detail. Too many people waste weeks trying to perfect their profile while ignoring the things that will actually get you more clients. The second thing is to apply to jobs very quickly after they're posted, within minutes, okay? Applying to a job 2 minutes after it's posted means the client is likely still logged into Upwork. A compelling cover letter, as one of the only ones, will often generate a quick reply. This is huge for you. It moves you up to interviewing in Upwork's language. You can apply quickly by setting up a feed to receive an automatic notification whenever a job is posted that meets your exact requirements. I'll also link to a video that breaks down exactly how to set that up. Those are the 2 ways that myself and the hundreds of people in my training group have been able to build 5, 6, and 7-figure agencies on Upwork. Focus on optimizing things that actually get the client to click and view your profile, and apply to jobs very quickly after they're posted. That way, you'll be able to save thousands of dollars in Connect fees by not having to bid to guarantee that clients will view your proposal. Hopefully, you found this video valuable. Comment below with your questions about Connects. If you disagree with my stance to never bid extra, let me know below and we'll discuss. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, turn those notifications on. I publish 2 to 3 videos each week about building your own 7-figure SEO agency.